Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by launching Roblox and confirming you're signed in. This ensures settings stick to your account. Once done, make sure the app is updated and that your device's system dark mode setting is noted. Sometimes the app follows the system. If you're on desktop, open Roblox in a modern browser tab so extensions are available. Begin now by opening the Roblox client or website and keeping the settings panel ready. This saves time for the next steps. Next, go into Settings, top right menu, and scan for Appearance, Theme, or Accessibility. Some accounts show a built-in dark option. If you find Theme, switch to Dark and observe UI contrast changes so text remains legible. If Roblox lacks a theme, use a browser extension like a site-specific darkener or apply custom CSS. This gives consistent dark backgrounds and adjusted text colors. Make sure to test chat and profile pages so nothing becomes unreadable once the dark style is active. Finally, Verify Dark Mode appears across the main site and in the game client. Jump into a playground or profile to check UI elements. If the theme didn't apply, clear your browser cache or reload the client and reapply the setting or extension. If colors break, disable other extensions or refine custom CSS selectors to avoid conflicts. One quick troubleshooting tip: toggle system dark mode off and on to force a full UI refresh, which often resolves stubborn styling issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.